Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I am going to be sharing with you a delicious salad recipe. And if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. The name of this salad is the Sur La salad, and it is so delicious. You are going to start by putting iceberg lettuce in a bowl, shredded cabbage, English cucumbers, thinly sliced carrots, cherry tomatoes cut in half, thinly sliced celery, delicious freshly shredded beets, a beautiful piece of avocado, a little bit of alfalfa or broccoli sprouts, then you're going to top all these delicious vegetables with pine nuts and sunflower seeds. In the description of this video is the link for the recipe. For the vinaigrette, you're going to combine the juice of the lemon, 3 tablespoons of fresh dill, 3 tablespoons of fresh chives, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and you're going to whisk until combined or an emulsion is formed, and you are going to cover this delicious salad with this delicious dressing. This salad is part of the tournaments of salads at Food 52. Please check on my Instagram to see how I rated this salad. Will you give it a try to this salad? I'm pretty sure that you are going to, because it's very nice and it's full of fiber and delicious flavors. I recommend to add the vinaigrette to the salad right before you're going to serve it. Okay guys, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.